Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. Clean your lungs in 3 days with this amazing remedy. Over 1 billion people in the globe are facing breathing and lung difficulties and issues because of smoking, and 5 million of them dies per year due to these diseases. It's a well-known fact that smoking kills and it can cause permanent damage to the lungs. Be that as it may, smoking is not the only thing that can influence the lungs, and even people who do not smoke can get lung-related diseases. Even after you quit smoking, the problems do not stop and the harm isn't so effectively repaired. We offer you a recipe that will help you repair the lung tissue and get them out from the poisons that originate from tobacco smoking. This is a natural remedy that can help you cleanse the lungs in a little over 3 days on the off chance that you expend it consistently. This treatment can bring ideal outcomes and treat and anticipate numerous breathing and lung-related issues. Ingredients: 400 grams cleaned and chopped onion, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 liter pure water, 400 grams brown sugar, 1 all-piece of ginger root. Method: take a bigger pot and boil the water and brown sugar in it. After that, include the onion and ginger root and add the turmeric at the end. Once the mixture starts boiling, lower the heat and simmer a little bit. Remove from heat and let it cool down. Once it cools down, store it in a suitable container and put it in the fridge. Consume this elixir every morning on an empty stomach and every night 2 hours before your last meal. This, combines with exercise, can remove toxins much faster and work better and can be more effective for the lungs. The fixings will get out the tissue after some time and recharge and recover the lungs. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.